The devil, they say, is in the details. Almost every truck you'll see out there these days, it got carved into the dash and they put one of these newer style radios in. The problem with that is that here on the side you can still see where the old radio knobs used to be, and a lot of times they did it all jagged and you got all these hard edges around here. So if we want to look good, we came up with a solution for you. We've got this nice little plate right here. It is going to cover all that ugly stuff, make us look nice and neat. It's not going to take any kind of time or tools to install. Let me show you how. This right here is the cage that your radio comes in generally, and you'll see these tabs on the side and on the top and on the bottom. Those are generally just bent out or in as necessary to hold the cage into the face of the dash and the radio into the cage. So we're going to go ahead and bend those tabs down, take that out, and you can see that we've got this nice little template right here. So we'll put this right over the face and we'll make sure that we have it exactly where we want it. Go ahead and mark our holes and drill those on out so we can put our new faceplate in. So I took my little bezel right here and I placed it in to see where it fit well. Then I took my paper and I cut it out exactly, got it right where I wanted it, double checked it, taped it down. Now I'll just go ahead and drill out my holes and I'll show you how to put it back in. When you drill these holes out, getting them exactly in the right spot is a little bit tough. More than likely you're not going to get it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our bezel here and we'll go through the face, and then I'll be able to put it up against here and double check my holes. If one of the holes is off, just enlarge it just enough to make sure that you can get your screw in there, and that's it. Once you've got that set up, you've got a couple of different ways that you're going to be able to put these screws on. Now I've got it easy because this is all taken apart, but if you don't have yours all taken apart, you're going to have to come up through around all of your controls down here. You can take your glove box out and then just simply work from the side. That's nice and easy. You could also come in through here and try to get these screws on like this too. So whatever way you use, this is going to be a little bit time consuming, so just take your time and try not to get too upset. So let me get this on and I'll show you what comes up next. So you can see this looks really good and it's taking care of all of our ugly gaps. Now this comes billet aluminum, so if you've got billet aluminum on the rest of your interior, you're looking good. But you can just go ahead and paint this, anodize it, anything you want to do, because it's ready for that too. So make sure that you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, because I'm doing more of these things every day for you to get your truck on the road and looking good.